This is Bryn Radio.
Hello, Insta-Talkers and you lovely ladies and gentle spoons. Welcome to another Russell Prue post. Well, you catch me here in Wales delivering my 400th radio station. Let me leave that with you for just a moment. Yes, I can hear the applause. 400 radio stations and still going strong. Brilliant. And this one is just breathtaking. You won't believe it. The studio is ready, the equipment is installed, and we are broadcasting our live first show today to parents at 2:15. We're on Mixcloud, mixcloud.com/live/Bryn Radio. And that's the name of this station. A fantastic little primary school just outside of the fantastic village of Bryn in Wales. Just gorgeous. Lovely desk there. Jingles ready to go. We'll be playing lots like this one.
This is Bryn Radio.
Oh, stunning. We've got soundproofing, acoustic wadding on this side, and the most gorgeous album wall art you can possibly imagine, all handpicked by the staff in school. It's superb space off the main corridor. We've got our own on-air mic live sign at the top there. It is just fantastic. Do give this station a follow, folks. They are going to be absolutely fantastic, especially with space like this. And get in contact if you want to find out more about what I do. To follow these people, just head to brynradio.wales to find out more about me and what I do and how you can be a part of this magical journey. Just go to russellprue.radio. Have a great day. We're live at 2:15 today and it would be lovely to have you with us. Do join us and thanks for watching. Do give the channel a follow if you like the content. I'd love to hear from you.